Hello, everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to multiply complex numbers, but only focusing on the monomials. All right, before I even get started, as you can see what I wrote in my cloud on the top right-hand corner, make sure you have that memorized. All right, when it comes to multiplying complex numbers, when they're just monomials, meaning you don't have any plus signs or subtraction signs, this is basically what you're going to do. Multiply your numbers, add the exponents. Multiply the numbers, add the exponents. Multiply the numbers, add the exponents. All right, looking at this first example. Before I even get started, all three of my i's have an exponent of 1, just in case you don't already know that. Let me write it in there so you can see it. So I'm going to multiply my numbers. 4 times 7 times -3. And when I type that in my calculator, it equals -84. And like I was saying before, multiply the numbers and the exponents. So when I add my exponents, I'm adding 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is obviously 3. So it'll be I to the power of 3. Now, before I finally say I'm done, I have to check to see, can I substitute my I to the power of 3 because it equals something else? I sure can. I to the power of 3 equals -I. So I'm going to replace that with -I. Bring down my -84. And remember, even though it says -I, it's really -1i. So -84 times -1 is +84. And then add your I at the end. And that's it. Let's look at one more example. All right, and this example is 24i squared times -6i times I. And remember, when you don't already see the exponents, go ahead and put your invisible 1 so you'll know. All right, multiply the numbers and the exponents. Multiply the numbers, add the exponents. Multiply the numbers, add the exponents. So I'm multiplying 24 times -6. Oh yeah, there's another number. We just don't see it. It's the imaginary 1 times 1. And when I type that in my calculator, I get -144. And then I'll add my exponents. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So it'll be I to the power of 4. And then go back to your notes. Remember, I to the power of 4 equals 1. So I'll replace that with a 1. Bring down my -144. And -144 times 1 equals -144. And that's it.